Investing in FNCMX, which is the Fidelity Nasdaq Composite Index Fund, can be an effective way to gain exposure to a broad range of technology and growth-oriented companies. To get started, you first need to establish a brokerage account if you do not already have one. Research different brokerage firms and choose one that offers easy access to FNCMX. Once your account is set up and funded, you are ready to begin your investment journey. Next, it is essential to familiarize yourself with FNCMX and the types of companies included in the fund. The Fidelity Nasdaq Composite Index Fund primarily tracks the performance of stocks listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange. This can include well-known companies in technology, healthcare, and consumer services. Understanding the underlying assets can help you assess the potential risks and rewards associated with investing in this fund. After you have done your research, decide how much you want to invest in FNCMX. Many financial advisors recommend diversifying your investments to mitigate risk. Determine what percentage of your overall investment portfolio you want to allocate to FNCMX. Keep in mind your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline when making this decision. Finally, execute your investment by placing an order for FNCMX through your brokerage account. You can choose to purchase shares at the current market price or set a limit order to buy at a specific price. Once the order is placed, monitor your investment regularly and stay informed about market trends and changes that could impact the performance of the fund. Over time, evaluate your investment strategy to ensure it aligns with your financial goals.